Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Bathroom, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, kitchen, kitchen, living room, living room, yard, yard, play, play, sleep, sleep, cook, cook, take a bath, take a bath, watch TV, watch TV. Let's practice. Let's play in the yard. Let's play in the yard. Let's sleep in the bedroom. Let's sleep in the bedroom. Let's cook in the kitchen. Let's cook in the kitchen. Let's take a bath in the bathroom. Let's take a bath in the bathroom. Let's watch TV in the living room. Let's watch TV in the living room. Let's learn more. Sleep well. Sleep well. Mommy, mommy, daddy, daddy, sister, sister, brother, brother, me, me. Let's practice. Mommy sleeps well. Mommy sleeps well. Daddy sleeps well. Daddy sleeps well. Sister sleeps well. Sister sleeps well. Brother sleeps well. Brother sleeps well. I sleep well. I sleep well.